tired, bloated, moody. But your doctor says everything's fine. The problem might be in your gut. And it starts with what you eat. In this video, we'll uncover 5 everyday foods that quietly destroy your gut health. They cause fatigue, brain fog, even inflammation without you knowing. Stick around. The last one is something millions of people eat daily thinking it's healthy. Number 1, refined carbs. The gut's sugar bomb. White bread, pasta, pastries. Sounds harmless, right? But these refined carbs act like sugar bombs in your body. They spike your blood sugar and feed harmful bacteria in your gut. Worse, they're stripped of fiber, your gut's favorite food. Foods are considered stripped of fiber when their natural fiber content is reduced or removed during processing, such as in the refining of grains. This often leads to a diet that is lower in fiber, which can negatively affect digestive health and blood sugar regulation. Fiber, a vital component of a healthy diet, is frequently lost during food processing. Here's why this happens, and what it means for your health. The process of refining grains, such as in white bread or pasta, removes the outer layer, the bran, which contains a significant portion of the grain's natural fiber. Smart swaps. Eat 100% whole wheat bread instead of white brown, or wild rice instead of white rice, rolled oats instead of sugary cereal, quinoa, barley, or whole grain pasta. These help your gut bacteria thrive and give you lasting energy, not crashes. Consequences of reduced fiber intake. Digestive issues. Fiber plays a key role in maintaining healthy bowel movements. A lack of it can lead to constipation, sluggish digestion, or even more serious complications like ileus. Increased risk of colon disease. Long-term fiber deficiency may contribute to conditions like diverticulosis, inflammation, or even colorectal cancer. Number 2, artificial sweeteners, tricking more than your taste buds. Sucralose, aspartame, saccharin. They're found in diet sodas, light yogurts, and sugar-free gum. But research shows they can disrupt your gut microbiome, a condition known as dysbiosis. Dysbiosis is characterized by a reduction in beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, and an increase in potentially harmful strains. In particular, saccharin and sucralose have been shown to significantly alter gut microbiota composition and reduce microbial diversity. They may kill off good bacteria, potentially leading to glucose intolerance, inflammation, and impaired metabolism. Trying to cut calories? You might be cutting your gut health instead. Better options: raw honey or pure maple syrup, in moderation. Natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. Ever switched to diet soda thinking it was healthy? Comment below. Number 3, processed dairy, the hidden bloater. You love cheese, yogurt, milk. But processed dairy can cause gas, bloating, even cramps, especially if you're sensitive. Many dairy products are loaded with added sugars, gums, or preservatives. Even your healthy yogurt might be packed with hidden junk. Swap suggestions: plain Greek yogurt plus fruit-aged cheeses like cheddar or Parmesan. Unsweetened almond oat or coconut milk. Gut tip: the simpler the ingredient list, the better your gut will thank you. Number 4, fried foods, crunchy on the outside, chaos on the inside. Fried chicken, French fries, even veggie chips soaked in oil. Delicious, sure, but a disaster for your gut. These foods trigger inflammation, slow digestion, and feed the wrong bacteria. They don't just make you sluggish, they throw your whole gut off balance. Fix it with air-fried or baked versions. Cook with olive oil. Add fiber-rich vegetables on the side. Number 5, alcohol. The invisible gut breaker. You enjoy a glass of wine or two, but your gut doesn't. Alcohol damages the gut lining and leads to what's called leaky gut. It reduces microbial diversity, which your gut needs to stay strong, and that affects everything: immunity, digestion, even mental clarity. Be gut smart. Limit alcohol to special occasions. Drink water between each drink. Give your gut at least 48 hours to recover, because your gut doesn't forget, even when you do. Your gut is more than digestion. It's your body's control center for energy, immunity, even your mood. Cutting just a few of these foods can make a massive difference. So, which one of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you care about your long-term health, subscribe now. Your gut will thank you later.